Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix an iPhone stuck on white screen with Apple logo. When your iPhone shuts off randomly then flashes an Apple logo without reaching the home screen, it can drive you crazy. You might try to restart the phone, but it doesn't respond and you can do nothing. The good news is that you don't require too much technical skills to fix an iPhone stuck on white Apple logo screen. Let's learn the causes first before proceeding. Why is your iPhone stuck on Apple logo white screen? Accidental crashes cropped out from the system is the common reason. If you've recently upgraded the system, the interrupted iOS update installation could cause an iPhone to turn on showing white screen with the Apple logo. Storage space running low will also prevent your device from booting up correctly. Additionally, the startup process could be affected if the battery power is low or the hardware is malfunctioning. Now, go through some workable solutions of how to fix an iPhone stuck on white Apple logo screen. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Work your way down until the device boots past the Apple logo and loads the lock screen. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Connect your iPhone to a power source. Having a draining battery can interfere with your iPhone's boot-up process due to the low power supply. So, make sure your device has sufficient charge by plugging it into a wall power outlet. Avoid using the computer's USB port and uncertified charger and cables. If everything goes well, your iPhone should boot up itself and load the lock screen. If your iPhone is stuck on a white screen with a black Apple logo, then move to the next step to perform a forced restart. Try force rebooting your device. Sometimes all your iPhone needs is a simple reboot to remedy any bugs or glitches when it shows the white background with the Apple logo. The exact steps may vary depending on your iPhone models. Just follow the instructions below that apply for your specific iPhone model. For iPhone 8X or newer, quickly press the volume up key, the volume down key, then keep holding the power key. For iPhone 7 series, keep holding both the volume down key and the power key together. For iPhone 6s or older, keep holding both the home key and power key together. The white Apple logo should disappear and the device switches off. When the Apple logo appears again, release the buttons you're pressing and wait for your iPhone to start up normally. Now, you should get it working again. Remove phone case and screen protector. It's popular to wear a phone case and screen protector on an iPhone to resist scratches and drops. However, they may misalign buttons, ports or screen, making your iPhone frozen on white screen with an Apple logo. So, if you've put a case or a screen protector, or connected any peripherals on your phone, try taking them off. Then, do a forced reboot to see if you can get an iPhone out of the stuck white screen with Apple logo. Connect the device to a computer. If the issue remains, it often indicates that your iPhone's operating system has a deeper error. The good news is that troubleshooting is easy. Update or restore the device using a computer. Some users complain that the computer won't detect the iPhone when it's stuck on white screen with an Apple logo. That's where recovery mode comes in, an official trick to help rebuild the connection between a malfunctioning iPhone and computer. Here's the full tutorial to do that. Connect your iPhone to a computer where the latest version of iTunes or Apple Devices app has been installed and launched. If you use a Mac running macOS Catalina or newer, open Finder. To put your iPhone into recovery mode, here are the instructions. On an iPhone 8 or later, quickly press the volume up key, the volume down key and then keep holding the power key. On an iPhone 7, press both the volume down key and the power key at the same time and keep holding them. On an iPhone 6s or earlier, press both the home key and power key simultaneously and keep holding them. When the recovery mode screen comes up on your iPhone, release the buttons you're holding. If you mistakenly release the buttons or fail to enter recovery mode, just attempt the same steps again. Once succeeded, go to the computer while your iPhone is still connected to the machine. There will be a dialog box with Update and Restore option appearing on the application. The Update option is used to install the latest iOS that's compatible with your iPhone model. The Restore option is used to delete everything on the device and bring it back to its factory defaults. Go with the Update button first. Then, follow the instructions provided by the program on your computer to upgrade the system. Once done, see if you manage to unfreeze the screen and turn your iPhone back on properly. If, unfortunately, your iPhone goes back to the white screen with Apple logo, Repeat the steps and click the Restore option to perform a factory reset after confirming you have backups. Contact the expert for support and service. If the iPhone is still stuck on a blank white screen with the Apple logo and not turning on, your device might need service. You can visit the official support page online or go to the repair center in person. The expert can provide additional guidance or suggested repair options if needed. And there you have it, folks. Hope the solutions in this video help fix iPhone frozen on white screen with Apple logo. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.